Alright, so off window we installed... Off window. Oh Mick, I wish you were here. You want to be loopy. Alright, so off window... What is happening? That's it. What is happening?
I'm Mick and this is Dim, and we're two crazies on this wild journey of life. We study, love and explore this earth full time, and now we've bought a van. Join us while we flip it on its head and turn it into a home every Sunday. Dimmy was a bit of a lone wolf at the start of this week's conversion, doing the window framing, a bit of insulation, and struggling to navigate the camera, because I was on the wild seas helping my dad bring his boat back from up north.
We're at Rainbow Beach.
Look at that, just magnificent colours.
Alright, so off video we installed this windowsill. There is a panel that has been seconded to the open sheet metal here because when we got rid of the support, the body wants to just go with the wind a little bit and flap on. So we've done a frame now and braced that. Alright, so the frame is in, so all I've done since mounting the frame together on the bench was I brought it in here and I put some sicko everywhere that would contact either the metal or the wood. Gosh, I'm losing my words now. It's getting to that time. And then I've just fixed it in to the Craig joint that I did earlier, back onto the windowsill. Righto, so the next thing I'm going to do today, after doing those windowsills, is sound deadening. So I'm going to, all these places where I can stuff this insulation. Now it's already got factory sound deadening on it, but it's stiffened up. It's not really doing much. R4 EarthWool. This is going to be really fun to open. I've heard that it's really like pleasing to open. I don't know what that means, but we'll see. Alright, so I am pretty itchy after that, but I have stuffed all the crevices with the EarthWool. I actually just realised that if you've got a long wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter, I'm saying it right now, you need 7.5 meters squared of stuffable insulation. It really fit well. Yeah, there you go. So two frames done today, two window frames done today. And I've sound deadened underneath all this insulation, and then I stuffed it with the EarthWool. Anyway, good night.
Dimmy finished the EarthWool the other night when I was on the boat. Reflecting on it, he says wear proof.
You're meant to wear protective equipment, microfiber glass. It's weird.
That's not good.
Yeah, make sure you got the right PPE. You gonna talk about what you got in your hand?
Right here.
Right. Just.
I've got some permanent, strong, and durable bond that brought. It's called Quick Grip, and it's Sally's
A spray adhesive.
spray adhesive. So we've just bought another piece of foil board to just finish off the insulation, so that then we can nail the solar, close up the walls, which would be awesome. Because as everyone says that converts a van, it will take longer than you expect. So these sections we are going to foil board today. We've already sound deadened them, so just make sure you've got your sound deadening down before you put anything on top, of course, because it's really important. Otherwise you'll have a shaky van. Let's go.
Sky's turning red, and I don't know, should I be scared or grateful? How can I see the beautiful?
And the insulation is done. Well, except for the roof.
So that comes after
That'll come after solar.
solar.
So we're praying to the heavens that the solar arrives on Thursday.
Start on
Then
the
we'll get the solar done. We got some really nice solar panels coming.
I told the camera about
Our friends.
the little stuff up, how we've returned a few and got some new ones.
We made a little mistake. They're a little bit too long, the solar panels that we bought. So they went over the sides of the van literally by maybe 1 inch on either side. Literally said the other day, we joked about it and we were like, how can you get through a massive conversion like this and not accidentally buy something that you didn't need?
It's the
or
first thing, yeah.
Anyway, it is the first thing.
Welcome those challenges and those flaws and those mistakes, because that's what makes us human.
I don't know if it's for good or beautiful.
So today we're tackling the walls. And we're at Bunnings picking up our wood. And it is absolutely pissing down outside, and we don't think the van can fit into the drive-through in Bunnings, so we're trying to work a way to get the wood into the van without it getting too wet. Anyway, here goes.
Yet another rainy day.
Yet another rainy day on the Gold Coast, but rain doesn't keep us from doing the van. So we're gonna do walls today. We went to Bunnings yesterday and we picked up all the wood to do it. So now we've just got to put it on the walls. Right?
Right.
Cool. All right. Let there be walls! Ah! So, we've got 2 different lengths of premium pine wood that we're framing the walls and the roof with. They're both 42 by 19 millimeters. This one's 1.8 meters, this one's 2.4, and that is simply so that we reduce the waste of the wood.
Right, so the first thing we're going to do is measure out all our cuts. That just involves Mickey standing there with a piece of wood and a tape measure. So we're going to measure out all our lengths, yeah, and then we'll just cut them and see if they fit.
1.93. Plan is to put 2 pieces of pine here, 1 pine on the wheel well, another 2 there, and then we're going to have 2 short ones coming up to the window frame and above the window frame, and then 1 in the corner. And to this side, we're going to do 2 pieces of pine there, 1 on the wheel well again, just 1 under this window frame and above this window frame, and 1 in the corner. I think we're ready to cut.
You got the trolley?
I feel like I can't spin as fast as way.
No. You know where the trolley is, Dick?
Nope.
Alright, we're starting to drill. This is gonna be interesting. Oh, round 2. Oh,
It needs some work.
okay.
You're getting it.
Getting there.
framing is done for today. We're going to postpone the rest of it, do the roof on Friday. So, just getting late. We're tired, we're buggered. We just need some rest, so see you then.
Good afternoon. Today we are continuing what we did the other day, so the wall framing, but today we're going to do the roof framing. Alright, 14:20. So Captain Cumming has dropped in today to try cut the wood better than me.
Who cuts the wood better?
My weapon of choice is an old hand saw.
And I've got the circular saw.
1, 2, 3, go. Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Hold the stick. You hold the stick. You beat me, you win. She wins. Winner, winner.
The wood is cut and ready to be put on the roof. I don't think it's meant to be on your watch, Tim. I think it's meant to be on the roof.
Desperate times call for desperate measures. I'm just saving that for later. We are putting the roof slats on right now. So this will pretty much be where we're going to screw our surface wood into. So this is just to frame it pretty much. Get the curve.
We're just putting a couple of self-drilling screws, and sometimes we're doubling up. And hopefully she'll be good.
Avoid your wiring. I'm going to get a jigsaw, and actually that's probably the way I'd go. So I've just had to cut out a notch for these wires.
Quick snack break. Our favourite thing in the entire world is Yumi's hummus. And Dimmy loves Jack's. But I would just eat hummus with nothing else. Just hummus, just with my finger. We're in love with it. Oh. I'm sorry, but does anyone else get like really excited about stuff like that? That's like so satisfying for me to watch. Anyway, we're just chiseling this
Track out, I guess.
track out because we've got wires in the roof that it's got to come out. So. Hello, pancake. Voila! Framing is done. So I guess it's probably join us next week for solar.